Hi, I'm John Doughty and I'm the Engineering Director of LNER. For the duration of COP26, we are building the Living Wall in Edinburgh Waverley Station, and it's really there to inspire people to think about how they're travelling.
So this is a lovely feature here in the Waverley Station. It's got over 600 different types of plants in here. It's utilising space, which is particularly important in cities as we need more green spaces. This actually is taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen.
COP26 is a great opportunity for the rail industry to promote the green credentials of rail travel. The LNER fleet is either fully electric or electric and diesel bi-mode, which has been a great improvement on some of our previous legacy fleet, which was a full diesel fleet. So this means that Azuma's bi-mode capability to switch between electricity and diesel has saved us nearly 26.5 million litres of diesel, which has had a great impact on our carbon emissions reductions.
Well, green spaces really help with health and well-being because people find it incredibly relaxing, and they're actually chemicals that plants emit and trees emit that make us feel good. But we're also helping visitors to understand what they can do to support climate change and biodiversity loss.
Whilst rail is a very sustainable way to travel, we want to build on that and make it even more environmentally friendly. We've got industry targets to get to carbon net zero, and we're working very hard with all our partners across the industry to make sure that we can do that.